Alright guys, check this out. So today I'm going to be doing a review of these Spolumbo maple breakfast sausages. These are on sale. Check it out. I did a review of the chicken apple one, and it was pretty good. So I'm going to try these ones out. This one here is pork, maple syrup, water, salt, and spices. That's the ingredients. There's a Nutri panel. Alright, let's cook it up, and I'll be right back. So it's all done here, as you can see. These are the Spolumbo breakfast sausages. Let's try this out. Oh, they're kind of, there we go. Alright, so there it is. I cut it open. This was cooked in the air fryer, as you can see. And we're going to do a quick taste test. If you want to see, here's the cat looking, smelling it, being really close to it. But anyways, so it smells really good. You can taste the aroma of the maple. It's got a slight sweetness, and it's juicy too. Yeah, it's not dry. It's actually really good. One of the better breakfast sausages I've ever had, actually. So definitely check it out. If you have any questions, comments, guys, please subscribe to the channel.